Today we are replacing a failing 1-inch double-check assembly at a residential property. It hadn't started leaking yet, but it was well past its prime and we wanted to get ahead of any problems. This assembly is located underground in a valve box, and like most double checks, it's protecting the home's irrigation system from backflow. The current irrigation system was using Class 200 pipe instead of Schedule 40, which is thinner. All main lines should be Schedule 40. So the current valve box that they had on here was only one layer, and since we double stack ours, that means we need to dig twice as deep. We always include a new quick coupler to make winterization more efficient and safer. One of the key upgrades here was adding 2 unions to the new assembly. That way future repairs or replacements can be done faster without cutting pipe. We use metal before the backflow because that section doesn't get winterized. The glue for the mainline pipes should be left to cure for at least 2 hours before pressurizing. Once the new backflow was in place and secure, we turned the water back on and let it run for a full 30 minutes. No leaks, clean flow, exactly what we want. By double stacking the valve box, it gives us more room to work with down the line, and less chance of crushed fittings or buried valves. To finish up, we added drainage rock at the base of the box. This helps keep moles and dirt from getting in and clogging things up. A small step that makes a big difference over time. Now the homeowner has a reliable, serviceable double-check assembly with a clean, well-draining box, and they're protected for years to come. Simple, preventative maintenance like this can save thousands down the road and keep your irrigation system running clean.